Rain leaking through your roof? Use VTech Vital Band. It has a good adhesion. Comes with a premium aluminium protective film for good weathering resistance and durability. It is ideal for repairing metal roof sheet, broken roof tile, leaking gutter, seepage of flashing and awning. Vital Band is easy to install. First, clean up the application surface to make sure it is dry and free of dust or rust. Measure the length required. Peel off approximately 2 inches of the release liner, then apply Vital Band while gradually peeling off the release liner. Apply pressure evenly to ensure good contact between Vital Band and the surface area. Vital Band is self-adhered, hence no glue is required. Cut off the required amount of tape. If there is a need to cover additional area, make sure a minimum of 2 inches of overlap is applied. Note that the aluminium film should not be removed from Vital Band. If you prefer a maroon or black color finish, use Vital Flash instead. For smaller repair jobs such as patching small holes, the application is much simpler. Your roof leaks repair made simple and cost-effective with VTech Vital Band. VTech, formulated for the professionals.